Okay, one of the things we are going to look at today is SE16 and what are the good options available within SE16. Okay, so first thing we go is /n SE16. Okay, let's type in a table. So I'm going to type in USR02. So you click on this button, table contents. So always if you just go browse close to the hover close to the icons, you will see what that icon means. Okay, click on execute. Sometimes what happens is you don't see you see field names like this. So basically technical name of the field. Okay, so in order to flip to the description of the field, you need to go to user parameter field label. Okay, user parameter field label. Okay, one of the things you can also do is let's say you want to see how many fields are available and I want to choose some of the fields. I don't want to just have only these fields in the table. Okay, so that's you need to go here, settings, fields for selection. You go to fields for selection. So now you see all the fields available, right? You want, so let's say for example I want valid from, valid to also. I want user groups and I want account number, last logon date. Okay, so you continue. Now it's going to show you all the options with all the options for you. It's going to show you with all the options for you. Let's say you want to find out how many entries on this table before you want to proceed. Okay, so you click on number of entries. So it has 384 entries. So now you have 384 entries. Okay, one of the things you want to let's say for example you want to let's look for users who are just equal to which starting with D. Okay, just put D star. So execute. So you will only see user IDs relevant to D star. Okay. Now you want to also just want to exclude anyone with a D star. You want to exclude any user with a D star. Okay. So what you need to do is double click on this field, not equal to. Okay. So you want to display all the people except D starting with names is starting with D. Okay. You're going to quickly check number of entries, 384. So execute. So it will miss D. It will show you C. Okay. Let's say you want to look for delete row. So that you want to look for anyone created on between certain date. Okay, so I want to say 24. I want to put 24 10 to today. So you want to quickly find out how many users, 115 users. Okay, so you want to execute. So you see all these users, right? You see all these users, but you don't want all these columns in here. You don't want all these columns in here, right? You only want certain columns. So for that, what you need to do is you can also restrict what columns are displayed. So you go to settings, format list, choose field. Okay, first thing you want to do is uncheck everything. So you want, okay, so now you basically username, say the user group, current log status. Okay, so let's say you want only 3. So now it will show you only 3. So you can also, for example, one of the options I like is you want to sort by user group, right? You click on this field, it will sort by user group, sort by user status. Okay. One more good option to know is how to download this. The different download options: system, list, save, local file. So I like this option in clipboard. Right. It will basically copy to a clipboard, and then if you just want to open a program, say Control V. You paste in any program you want. Okay. One more transaction which is a newer version of this SE16 is /n SE16n. Okay, so this has the technical name on the right, and then the user ID is the field description on the left. So you click execute. See, one of the advantages here is you have all the options on the top, so that you don't have to look for them. So you have all the options on the top. It's much more better display. Okay, much more does it display. So I'm not. So hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Thank you.